Hey everyone, today we're tackling a common question. Nmap is a command line tool, so can we actually use it on Windows 10 or 11? The simple answer is yes, you absolutely can. What's even better is that you can use Nmap on Windows with a graphical user interface, just like many other software tools you're familiar with. So without further ado, let's dive in and see how to install and run Nmap on your Windows system. I'm currently using a Windows 10 machine for this demonstration, but the process is very similar on Windows 11. First things first, you'll want to head over to the official map website. You can easily find it by searching for Nmap on Google. The first link, usually with the URL nmap.org, is the one you're looking for. Once you're on the Nmap website, navigate to the Downloads section. Here you'll find the Windows installer. Click on this installer to download the latest version of Nmap for Windows. For the sake of time, I've already downloaded the installer, so I'll pause this download now. Next, go to your Downloads folder and run the Nmap installer. I'm going to keep the default installation settings as they are and proceed with installing Nmap on this Windows 10 system. Alright, the installation is now complete. You should see an Nmap icon on your desktop. Simply double-click this icon to launch the Nmap GUI. Here it is. This is the Nmap graphical user interface. As you can see, it's quite simple, user-friendly, and easy to navigate. On the top bar, you'll find various options for configuring your network scans. In the Target field, you can specify the IP address or host name of the device you want to scan. You can also select different scan types and explore other available options within the interface. I have performed ping scan first on localhost IP address. See the results. Then I have performed intense scan on same localhost IP address. Wait for a while to complete the scan. Here are the results: the open ports, network topology, target host details, and Nmap scan history. Interestingly, you can even directly type Nmap commands into the commands bar if you're already familiar with the command line syntax, offering a flexible way to perform specific scans. If you're eager to learn more about Nmap, its various functions, helpful tips, and tricks, including a detailed list of Nmap commands and their execution syntax, I've included a direct download link to my free guide, Mastering Nmap, a practical guide for network discovery and security, right in the description below. Feel free to download it and start mastering Nmap on your Windows and Linux system. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share your feedback and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials on cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.